I'm Lisa Copeland. I'm the host of American Dream TV, Selling Central Texas, and I'm so excited today. I am going to introduce y'all to what I believe is the best kept secret in Central Texas. Right here in NolanVille, we are in this incredible community called Bella Charka, and I'm about to take you on a tour of a home that you will never forget. Follow me. This is Laura Mitchell. She's the community manager for Flint Rock Builders.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for taking time, because I don't feel like I could do this amazing property or maybe even this amazing community justice. And I know you're an expert on it. So
I'll try to be.
Talk about NolanVille. In my entrance, I talked about the fact that this is the best kept secret in Central Texas. Tell us about NolanVille. Like, what is the population here?
NolanVille is known for being a small town.
Yeah.
Small town feel, really friendly environment. The views here, people come here.
Okay, so whoa, we got to talk about the views. Now, so, most people that are going to be watching this will probably live in Texas.
Yeah.
So when we
views to us,
mountains and hills in Central Texas, it's way different than Colorado,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
And
Central Texas
So tell us about what the mountain views are from here, because I can see them out the window.
You can look out, and it's a nice hilly front, especially your backyard, your front yard.
And you feel like I don't know. I feel like I'm almost like in a valley here.
Yeah, it feels different, especially with the fall right now.
Okay, so NolanVille. So we've got this amazing master planned community.
Yeah.
How many homes have you guys built in this community?
Well, this is phase 12 now. So already we've done several hundred homes. Yes.
Oh my gosh, phase 12. Is this? Do you think this will be your final phase?
Nope, we've got one more coming.
Oh wow. So you just keep on building and building and building.
Well, there's lots of people coming to NolanVille, I think, for the reason that we kind of talked about.
I know. So population 6,000.
Right.
And it's pretty centrally located.
It is, yes. Right off 190 here, coming off of I-35. So short distance to, of course, the big cities, Austin, 45 minutes, Waco, 45 minutes.
Belton, 15 minutes.
15 minutes
Temple,
away.
20 minutes.
Right.
And then, of course, the Fort Cavazos, formerly known as Fort Hood.
Formerly Fort Hood.
Yeah, I feel like it's like
formerly
known as.
There you go. But we do have to keep saying that,
yes,
though.
Exactly.
Yes.
And so I think we'd be remiss, today's Veterans Day. And so I'm not sure when this is going to air, but we want to thank all the veterans, because we really live in a military community.
I'm a military brat as well.
Yes,
so
yes.
Thank you for all your service.
Here in Central Texas, and we take a lot of pride in that.
Yes.
We take a lot of pride. So we're very, very close to the base.
Yes.
And then to, like when I was coming in, there was all these big box stores, major shopping centers. So you're in this town of 6,000 people, but you're 5 minutes from Best Buy.
Yeah. Like, close.
Which is amazing. And you're 10 minutes to get onto major access roads.
Yeah.
So, okay, this home right here, I want you to tell us about it, and then would you take us on a tour?
I will, yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So tell us a little about the home.
It's Flint Rock Builders, who I am very proud to work for. Actually, pretty selective as I was choosing a builder.
Yeah.
And they are known for their quality. Service.
And you can just see it all throughout the house.
It's
unbelievable. When you take us on the tour, we're going to see the attention to detail in this house. And girl, I look at a lot of houses, and just even the way that the floors are laid in this home. It's unbelievable. I walked into this room, I'm like, this could be my bedroom. Yeah.
But yes, but also, so the quality, of course, but at an affordable price, because we talked about that part too.
The affordability,
here in
the low
NolanVille.
Taxes, you've got the 5% incentive.
Yes,
so tell us, if somebody doesn't want to come to the best place in Texas, best kept secret,
NolanVille.
Texas.
Our passion is still to build these homes and sell them for people.
I can't wait to bring some people out here to meet you.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I was honored for you to reach out, and I'd love to do it.
Thank you for joining me today for another episode of American Dream TV, Selling Central Texas. I hope you enjoyed our tour of NolanVille and of this gorgeous model home by Flint Rock Builders. I'll see you next month on American Dream TV.